Today's class we're going to be dealing with, again, contrary motion counterpoint, but this time the rhythms are not going to be concerted. So if the top line was descending twice as fast as the bottom line, it would sound like this. And that's what we're dealing with in today's class. 20 examples this time, and we're going to look at some hemiola rhythms, which is a way to sort of spice up the rhythmic aspect of this, giving you a cross rhythm. I've done 2/5 patterns, 2/5-1 patterns, again this time. I wanted to also utilize some 3/4 rhythms, so we might have hemiolas in the form of 2 against 3 on a 3/4 tune. Example number 1. Example number 2. Example number 3. 2, 3, 4. So example 3, we're going to be using some altered in the way of the bass line. We're going to hit, right when the G7 comes in, a flat 9 and a sharp 9. So with number 13, we are now in 3/4, and I decided to change the key. We're in the key of F, and you'll notice that when the melody line is in 1/8 notes, the bass line is, maybe in 1/2 notes or 1/4 notes, and vice versa. All of a sudden, the bass line in measure 3 breaks into 1/8 notes. Example 13. Example 17 is another case of starting very wide with a B flat and a D, and then coming together very narrow at the end. We get the second. So example number 17. Example 18. Example 19. So that's a nice little pattern to know. You could think of this approach to be used for improvisation or arranging, both, because what is improvisation but spontaneous composition or arranging? So I hope you enjoy this material.